Place your elbows down onto the floor and take a block in between the hands. Gently take the block overhead, reaching towards your shoulder blades, and reach your armpits towards the mat. From here, round your spine, drawing your back body up towards the sky, and then slowly drop it back down, moving into a cow position with the upper back. Inhale, flex. Exhale, extend the spine. Take a large block and place it at the front of the mat. Take your hands, palms facing up, and cup through the block, tucking the toes and lifting the pelvis up and into dolphin position. From here, push through the shoulders and ensure that the elbows, the shoulders, and the hips are all in one line. Raise up onto the toes to gain a little bit more traction forwards, and slowly walk your feet as close as possible, making sure the shoulders don't planche forward. Pull the ribs in, suck the belly in, and hold. Come back into your dolphin position and slowly begin to turn the gaze towards the hands. Lower the nose towards the block or the floor and then push back. Repeat this, staying very engaged in the shoulders and extending away, keeping the ribs pulling in and the belly button back into spine. This will keep all the stabilizers and core engaged to support. For an additional challenge, move back into your dolphin and begin to raise one leg up. Don't allow the ribs to flare, and maintain a strong connection to the shoulders, extending away, trying to create a long line between the foot and the shoulder. This variation can be applied also to lowering the nose towards the hands. Keep the foot lifting up and back, so kick out through the heel, extending through the leg nice and straight. Make sure that you don't compensate in the ribs by arching the back, keeping the belly button pulling in and the ribs together. Push out through the shoulders and really try and extend away from the mat. So we're lifting ourselves up through the foot towards the ceiling. From dolphin, you can also begin to work through the compression core by taking the knee and trying to touch into the bicep or the tricep of your supporting arm. Like dolphin, begin to make small little hops with the grounded foot, keeping that top leg straight and extending towards the sky. Think the hips over the head rather than the foot backwards to avoid any back bending. From here, now try to join the feet together in the air. So make these small little kicks and join the ankles and lower down straight away. This is teaching you your line. So don't think about balancing straight away, but really more concentrate on just joining the ankles, getting a good straight line. And then potentially, if you manage to get some air time, hold for a few breaths